So NADAM, or Nesterov-accelerated adaptive moment estimation, combines the benefits of Nesterov-accelerated gradient, so combines Nesterov-accelerated gradient and Atom optimizer. So we have Atom and Nesterov accelerated gradient. I'll also have a link for that. By incorporating Nesterov momentum into Atom. So they combine Nesterov momentum into Atom, and taking into account the look ahead property of Nesterov. So they combine momentum and look ahead. Property. This helps to not only gain the benefits of the adaptive learning rates from Atom, but also the accelerated gradient from Nesterov. So strong, beneficial learning gradient. From Nesterov and adaptive learning rates from Atom. So we speed and thoroughness. And overall, it makes it more efficient than any other of the following solo methods alone. NADAM has been shown to outperform Atom, actually, in some cases, especially in problems with very noisy gradient or with problems with fine-tuning of the solution. So, works very well with noisy gradient or problems requiring fine tuning of solution. And so let's go over the symbols. There we go. So for the following symbols, NADAM has M of T, M cap T, G cap T, beta 1, nu, phi cap T, and epsilon. So let me just move this over a little bit more to be able to help. There we go. There we go. Okay. So M of T is running average of the gradients. M cap t is the corrected running average of the gradients. G cap t is gradient of Nesterov momentum. Beta 1 is the decay rate of momentum. Term. U is, as we know, the learning rate. V cap t is the running average of the square gradients, so running average of squared gradients. Epsilon, a small constant to avoid division by 0. Let me just clean this up now. There we go. Feel free to take a screenshot. And now we will move over to our concept examples. And so yeah, thank you very much for taking time to watch this. If you found this video helpful, be sure and feel free to please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, feel free to put it in the comment section. And as always, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.